fact that it was his vision as well as his process that actually helped him get the success that he actually obtained. And I want to highlight those two words, vision and process. Now, I'm a coach, so I do a lot of coaching. I do a lot of workshops and seminars, so I may ask you to repeat some things with me. Is that okay? So everybody say process. Process. Everybody say vision. Vision. Now, process is an interesting word because a process is a series of operations that produce a finished product. A series of operations that produce a finished product. Now, a process is important because what I've learned, Mr. Grant, is that cheap things don't go through a process. See, I've been to New York and I've been on Canal Street. And I'm from Philadelphia. 52nd Street, you can go get a Louis Vuitton bag for $35. Now, if you've been to a mall, you know that a real Louis Vuitton bag doesn't cost $35. Now, the interesting thing about a process is that when things of value go through a process, they weather storms better. See, I've had good stuff and I've also had fake stuff. Now, I know some people can't really, relate to that. They have to really look straight ahead and act like they've never done it. But I've had some fake Louis before. And one thing I've learned is that you can't take fake stuff out in the weather like it is today. If you got fake jewelry, you can't sweat it. I mean, fake things come with all these different stipulations. Nobody's going to get with me, but that's okay. but the fake things, you have all these stipulations that you have to go through in order to preserve it. But when something's authentic, it can be passed on from generation to generation. And I want to encourage our youth today that you have to go through the process because you're worth it. If this year has been any kind of a battle, if this year has been any kind of a struggle, if this year has seemed like this was the year, if there was ever a time where you were ready to give up, this was the year, then I've come to declare to you that that's only because you're in the process, and you're only in the process because you're worth it. In fact, let's just take a moment and say that out loud and say, I'm worth it. I'm worth it.